Hi guys, I'm Dr. Mahmoud, and today we are gonna be talking about how I learned English by myself. First of all, I will mention about my English background and then I will give some important advice. So let's get started with my English background. I have studied 8 years in my school. After school, I didn't know anything about English. I couldn't even say my name. My English was literally zero. I can say that I started learning English literally 2 years ago. Initially, my aim was getting used to it. That's why, first 2 months, I started watching grammar videos on YouTube in my mother tongue. And then, next 2 months, I started watching Netflix series, in English Netflix series, in my mother tongue, with subtitles. Yeah, this period lasted 4 months. And after 4 months, I could understand some important sentences and I could say my name. And I didn't give up. I kept on studying. Within 8 months, my English level was approximately B2 level. But unfortunately, I gave up. It lasted 6 or 7 months. That's why I have regressed a little. But I started 6 months ago again. And I have been studying for last 6 months. Now you can see my English level. I can speak well. I can understand podcasts or series very well. And you can see I can even take English videos. As I mentioned before, my English level was 0. If your English level is 0 now, you are like me. We are same. That's why you can speak very well. You can understand very well. If you follow up my advice, I promise you, your English level is getting better in 9 months. Then let's get started advices. My first advice is consume media only in English. You should turn your phone settings into English. And then, this is important, you should turn your Instagram, Twitter or another social media account's language into English. It will be boring for you initially. But after a month, you will be able to understand some important sentences. And after 6 months, you will understand everything. And it will be more fun for you. And my second advice is listen to English videos at least 1 hour in a day. It will improve your listening skills. And you can listen to videos that you're interested in. For example, as I mentioned before, I'm a doctor and I was listening to videos about medicine. And there is one more person who is a YouTuber. She's like me. She learned English 2 years ago and she was telling us how she learned English. That's why she was motivating me. Perhaps I will motivate you. If you subscribe channel, you will make me happy. And perhaps I will motivate you. This is a mutualistic relationship. And my third advice is if you like reading, then read. Yeah, it's easy advice. You can read news, novels, these things that you're interested in. After reading, you should explain yourself what you read. You will improve your reading skills and speaking skills this way. And another advice, it's fourth advice. If you keep a diary, you can keep your diary in English. Isn't it a good idea? Yeah, after 1 year, you will look at your diary and you will love yourself because you will make many mistakes. For example, I 24 aged, like that, and you will love yourself. And it will improve your writing skills. The final advice, the fifth advice, yeah. I have mentioned before listening, reading, and writing. But the hardest part is speaking. Why? Because you may be shy or you may not want to speak. But if you don't speak, you cannot speak. If you cannot speak, there is no point in learning English. That's why you should speak. There are many ways for speaking. For example, initially you can speak by yourself. I have a site for that. There are many topics in this site. I will put the link in the description section below. And you can speak by yourself through that. If you cannot speak by yourself, I want to give you another advice for speaking. It's not free. It's an application. Do you know Cambly? It's not Cambly, but it's same. It's called English Central. I bought this application too. There are many teachers in this application and the teacher's English level is C2 level. It's really good. You can practice every day and after practice, your teachers will give you feedback. You should correct yourself this way. And you can learn many words, sentences or grammar through this app. I will put this application's link in the description section below. And if you click the link, you will take 20% discount. And I want to say one more thing. If you follow up my advice, I promise you will getting better in 9 months. Thank you. I want you to subscribe channel and like videos. Goodbye.